Hello everyone, welcome to the class of social studies. So today we are going to start with the part 2 of the topic agriculture, farming and its type. So in this we are going to discuss about the farming, the types of farming. Basically, owing to the different environmental condition around the world, various types of farmings are practices. On the basis of the availability of land, agriculture can be intensive on a small piece of land or extensive on a large field. On the basis of objective of cultivation, agriculture is mainly of two types, that is subsistence and commercial. So here we are all discuss about the subsistence farming and commercial farming. So first of all we are going to discuss about the intensive subsistence farming. What is intensive subsistence farming? Basically in this agriculture we can say that the maximum use of minimum land is done, and the farmer cultivates small plot of land using simple tools, using more labor, and more than one crop a year is grown on the same plot. This is commonly practices in China, Japan, India and several other Southeast Asian countries. It is practice which is prevalent in overpopulated nations, due to which land is cultivated intensively with lots of human labor, and most of the produce is retained by the farmers for their own use. The farmer is able to grow 2 or 3 crops annually with high quality seeds, fertilizers, and plenty of water supply. Crop rotation method and manuring maintain the fertility of the soil, and the major crops grown are sugarcane, cotton, rice, and wheat. So here it's all about the subsistence farming. Basically, subsistence farming is practices to meet the needs of farmers, family, and low level of technologies are used in it, and as a labor work the family members here. Here it's all about the intensive subsistence farming, as I explained you earlier. Now come to the primitive subsistence farming. Basically, what is primitive subsistence farming? It includes 2 types of cultivation, that is shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. So shifting cultivation, it is mostly practices by tribal people living in hilly or forest region, and it is also called the zoom in northeast India. Shifting cultivators are most found in tropical forest, and the practices of this forest method promote deforestation, because to clear a patch of forest land, tribals burn down the trees and bushes. In some parts of the world it is also termed as a slash and burn agriculture. Here is about the nomadic herding. So basically, nomadic herding is the most common type of herding practices by nomads, and who wander from the place to place in search of grazing pastures, water for their animals. The main areas where nomadic herding is practices are semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia, several parts of India, and the Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan. Nomadic herders carry their belongings such as utensils, bedding, and tents on the back of the donkeys, horses, camel, and carts. So it's all about the nomadic herding.